Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be showing you a fuse box location on this Honda Civic. This one's 2015, and I'm sure there are similar years, same location. So the first fuse box location will be under the steering wheel. It's gonna be right in here. You might have a cover, I don't. And also, if you want to get to your OBD port, it's right in here to plug in your computer or to scan something for DQ. This is your first fuse box location. To get to your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. You just pull this latch, open the hood. To open the hood, the latch is gonna be right here, and then you can rest this either here or on there, that hole right there. And the second fuse box location is gonna be right in here. To open it, you have to press on this, and here you might have to wiggle it if it's tight, and that should come up. There's your fuses, and there's location right in here. And also, if you want to know how to use this is fuse puller to pull them out. So what you want to do is, for example, if you want to pull this one, number 10, you just go in there. Once you shove it in there and it's tight, you just pull on it and it comes off. Same way you can put it back, that's how it sits in it. You just slide it in, push it. Once it's pushed all the way, you press on it to release, and that should come off. And then if anything, push it more if you have to with your hand. So that's how you use this, and it's located right here. If you don't have one, maybe you can use a flathead screwdriver, just be careful. It's located right in here. You just line it up and it slides in there and sits in here. To close it, you line it up. Make sure it clicks here and here. Double check, make sure it's tight. Also, if you want to know, you have an aux right here. This car has one here, power outlet. You also have under here, you have USB. So if you want to know what's the PSI for your tires, it's gonna be right here on the door jamb, front, rear, and spare. 30 psi for the front, rear, and spare is 60 psi. This will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.